Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandesh Kadam. In previous video, we spoke about memory cycle. Today, we will learn how to improve brain power, enhancing mental agility. But before that, some facts about brain. Our brain is made up of neurons. Nearly 100 billion neurons in our brain. If we remove all the neurons of our brain and if we connect them one after the other, we can make a thread which can connect Earth with Moon. So many neurons in our brain. Every neuron can get connected with minimum 10,000 neurons. Minimum. So if we want to enhance our brain power, we have to increase this neural connection. It is said that in Albert Einstein, one neuron was connected with minimum 1 lakh neuron. That is why he was so brilliant. So if we want to enhance our brain capacity, brain power, we have to see that this neural connection can increase from 10,000 to 20,000 to 40,000 to 1 lakh. Now, let us see how we can use this lockdown period for this enhancement. So friends, following simple techniques will help us to enhance our brain power. First one, make liberal use of non-dominant hand. We all know that our brain is divided into left cerebral hemisphere and right cerebral hemisphere. In right-handed person, left cerebrum is more used, predominantly used. So what one should do? For doing simple activities, one should use non-dominant hand. For example, if I am right-handed person, I will use left hand for doing simple activity like brushing my teeth, combing my hair, buttoning my shirt, etc, etc, etc. Same way, one should use both the hands for writing. To start with, every day one should spend 10 minutes to write alphabets and numbers. One should write number 1 to 10 first with right hand, then same number with left hand, and now write 1 to 10 number simultaneously by using both the hands. When you are doing this, left cerebral hemisphere and right cerebral hemisphere will develop connections and your brain power will increase. Effective use of infinity symbol can help us to enhance the neural connection between left hemisphere and right hemisphere. One can start with infinity breathing. Close your one nostril. Take breath from another nostril. Imagine that the breath reaches the left hemisphere first and then it goes to the right hemisphere in the symbol of infinity for at least 2 to 3 times. Now, release your breath from both the nostrils. Do this for at least 5 to 7 times. Second exercise, take deep breathing and close your nostrils for at least 20 seconds. Again, same thing. Imagine that your breath is reaching to left hemisphere, then to the right hemisphere in the symbol of infinity. Slowly increase your time from 20 seconds to 40 seconds to 1 minute as per your convenience. Multisensory approach to enhance brain power. One must use all 5 sensory organs to enhance their skill. Let us start with observation skill. During this lockdown period, we must involve ourselves in many games. For example, 1 minute observation game. Select any one alphabet, say T. Find out all objects which are surrounding you beginning with letter T. Involve all family members. Find out who has observed the maximum. He or she will be the winner. If you are observing a serial or a movie or a cartoon, you observe different aspects of that particular movie or a cartoon. Don't just focus on hero, heroine. Find out the background. Find out the greenery around you. Find out the different types of scenes around you. Same thing is applicable for listening skill. If you are listening to the same music again and again, same song again and again during lockdown period, you should have different objective behind it. For example, first time when you are listening to the song, pay attention to the lyrics. Next time, consider music. Find out different music. How many times tabla is played? Whether santur is there or no. Whether basuri is there or no. Or select any one word. Say dil. How many times that word dil is repeating? This will help you to develop more neural connection between the neurons. Same way, loud reading. If you want to read fast, read silently. But if you really want to enhance your brain power, read aloud. At least for 15 minutes, read aloud. Give importance to the diction. If possible, tell your partner or tell someone to read for you at least for 10 minutes and you listen to him or her. This will help you to increase your observation skill, listening skill, and at the same time you are going to repeat. So you are using your mouth, using your tongue. So friends, these simple techniques during lockdown period can help you to enhance your brain power. Do it at least for 21 days and this will become a habit for you. In next video, I will come up with the concept of neuroplasticity. How this neuroplasticity can help you to become an extraordinary person. Thank you.